might be a dime. Well, you might drive a big BMW and even own a little IBM stock. But I'm here to tell you that no matter what you do, I'm betting folks like me lots better than you. Now the girls, they like Tom Cruise, and the girls all love Brad Pitt. But ask any babe and they'll tell you this old country boy is it. And it really ain't no mystery, it ain't hard to understand. Cause not only am I real fine looking, I'm also real good with my hands. So just call me up and I'll be sure to drop in. Check out your door and I'll do what I can. Well, I'll be your best buddy, I'll be your best friend. There's just something people like about a